and today is actually the first episode of the whole channel. I don't actually have the dogs, Toffee and Coco, with me, but later on in the videos, in like a different video, you will get to see them just later on though. And well, today actually we're going to be answering some questions, aren't we, about the dogs. So let's get into it. Okay, what is our first question? Let's figure it out.
What breed are they?
I always get this wrong. Is it? Oh, now I know. Chihuahua.
Yes, correct. Okay, next. How old are they?
I don't know. They're either under 2, or over 2, but they're 2.
Yeah, correct. You just turned 2. Speaking of that, when is their birthday?
Is it August 10th? No, 18th.
Yes, correct. Well done. Okay. How long have you had them?
About 2 years now.
Yeah, well done. You'll out on a roll. Okay. Now this is the last question.
Am I a pancake?
Sorry if this video is very short, but it's hard to brainstorm questions. Right, this is the final question.
I don't know.
Do you love them?
Of course I do. I love them to my heart. They're just so cute that sometimes they can have really weird moments. Like lick their nose and play with Gruffalo, if you've ever seen the Gruffalo. Yeah, it's really weird, but I love them so much. They just make my life so much nicer, and without them I don't know what I would do right now. I just would be stuck. Even though I have the horses and the guinea pigs, I don't know what I'd do without them. So they help my life right now, so I love them so much. So I think that will be it right now, won't it? So I'm just gonna go, and if you do want more videos, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you did, and hit that bell button, and also just make sure you see more of my videos, and